Namaste. Today we are in the day 21. Let's begin today's practice. Come into the downward dog. Check your hands, feet. Move your leg slightly near and see what feels the best. And then you can stretch one leg at a time, although it's day 21, so your hamstring should be already nice and loosen up. Then raise your right leg up and bring the right foot forward. Knee down, look forward. Then tuck your toes, push with your toes, lift your knee up, come up and balance. Arms to the side. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, hand to the side and twist to the right. Arms to the side, bring the hand down. Leg back, body in a straight line. And if you can, go into Chaturanga or Ashtanga Namaskar. For Ashtanga Namaskar, you would have to put your knee, chest, chin down. For Chaturanga, you go all the way down without touching the ground. Then kick with your toes, come up. And back to downward dog. Left leg up and left foot forward, knee down. Adjust your body so that you feel most comfortable. Then raise your knee up, come up and balance. Find the balance, arms to the side and bring your arms up. Bring the arms to the side again. Inhale. As you exhale, twist to the left. Back to the center. Hands down. Leg back. Body in a straight line. Then Chaturanga or Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale, upper dog. Exhale, downward dog. And then back to plank. Then you want to bring your right knee to the left elbow. Back. Left knee to the right elbow. Back. Let's repeat this 3 to 5 times. Go to the cat, and we are going to do the rotation of the back. So the way we're doing, we're going push forward and back, push forward and back, push and back, push and back. Now other way around, so going down, up, and then back to the cat. And then we're going to roll your hips around. This will be helpful in releasing tension from the back. Other way around. That's good. And inhale, bring your right arm towards the sky. And as you exhale, thread needle, bring your right arm under side of the temple on the ground. And push with your hand. Change your hands. Left arm up. And exhale, thread needle. Push with your hand. Come back. And lie on your abdomen. Chin forward. Bring the hands under. Then inhale, bring your right leg up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Release the hands. Forehead down. Interlock your fingers on the back. Keep your feet about hip width apart. Then inhale, lift your head up and pull your hand towards the feet. Exhale down. We will do 5 times. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. And bring the hands on the top of each other. Relax your forehead onto the hands. Let go for a moment. And push with your hands. Go into child pose. And relax about 30 seconds to up to 2 minutes. Depends on how much time you have for today's practice. Then whenever you're ready, gently sit up. Take your time. There's no hurry unless you are in a hurry. Whenever you're ready, thanks and prayer pose. Namaste.